Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of an LeetCode, which is LeetCode 2535. Find the difference between the sum of an element and the digit sum in an array. So here is given a nums array. You have to find the sum of a element. First you have to find the sum of an element, and then you have to find the sum of the digit. Okay, means 1 and then 1 plus 5, like here is given an example, and you just have to return the difference. First you have to return the difference between element, means absolute value. You just have to return the absolute value. So let's do this. First you have to create in sum equals to 0. One will store the element sum and the other will store the digit sum. Okay, sum 2 equals to 0. And then for int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot size, and then I plus plus sum 2 plus equals to nums of I, which will do the element sum. And then I will check if nums of I is less than 0, I mean less than 10. Then you just have to do nums of I is less than 10. Then you just have to add sum plus equals to nums of I. Else sum plus, if it is greater than 10, then you just have to do find the digit of nums of I. Okay, and after this loop you just have to return the sum 2 minus sum 1. You have to write the function of digit. Let's write this. Int digit int num int sum equals to 0, and then while num is greater than 0, then you just have to do int res equals to, which is remainder, nums modulo 10, and sum plus equals to res nums by equals to 10. Okay, and after this you just have to return the sum. Let's run this code. Okay, num let's run this code. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.